So, hello everyone, welcome to my daily vlog. My name is Ihan Carl Sibanawa from BSed English 3rd year. So, what we're going to do on this mini vlog, I will going to provide an example of materials that correspond to each of SLA or what we call second language acquisition principle. And I will going to demonstrate the development process of these materials and explaining how they align with a specific SLA principle or second language acquisition principle. So let's start. So the materials that we were going to use is a personal journals that correspond to the second language acquisition of the children or the student. So why it is aligned to the second language or correspond to our second language acquisition? Because a learner can regularly write a personal reflection in a journal about their feelings, memories, option, or their responses to prompts without worrying about their grammar mistakes or being graded. So, I will going to demonstrate also the developmental process of personal response journals. So, let's dive into step 1. So, in the step 1, we're going to define the objectives. So, why we are going to define the objective? First is to build learners' confidence and fluency and emotional engagement through low pressure and meaningful writing practice. So, let's go in step 2. So, in step 2, we're going to design prompts and we're going to create open-ended, emotionally engagement prompts that invite personal sharing rather. So, for example, we're going to describe someone who has influenced our life. So, in step 3, we will going to